Ever wondered why Monzo is so different? Why it feels like they actually listen to their customers? Well, today we're peeling back the curtain and diving deep into the minds and motivations of the brilliant people who built this revolutionary bank. Monzo. The name itself whispers disruption. It's the bank that dared to challenge the old guard, the one that ditched stuffy branches for sleek mobile apps and replaced confusing fees with crystal-clear transparency. But who are the visionaries behind this financial revolution? Let's rewind. Back in 2013, a group of friends, fueled by frustration with traditional banking, decided to do something about it. They dreamt of a bank built for the digital age, a bank that put customers first, not profits. And so, the Monzo journey began. Early days and the founding team, at the helm was Tom Blomfield, a charismatic entrepreneur with a knack for spotting market gaps. He assembled a team of like-minded individuals, tech wizards, design gurus, and financial experts. Together, they embarked on a mission to redefine banking. Early on, Monzo embraced a radically transparent approach. They openly shared their progress, their challenges, and even their financial data with the community. This unprecedented level of openness built trust and fostered a strong sense of community around the brand. Innovation and customer centricity. Monzo's innovation wasn't just about flashy features. It was about understanding customer needs and building products that truly solved their problems. Real-time spending notifications, no more puzzling over where your money went. Monzo gives you instant alerts, helping you stay on top of your finances. Instant transfers, forget waiting days for money to arrive. With Monzo, transfers are almost instantaneous, making it easier to manage your cash flow. Pot feature, easily set aside money for specific goals, whether it's a holiday, a new gadget, or that down payment. Monzo makes saving effortless. Roundups, automatically round up your purchases and invest the spare change. It's a painless way to grow your savings while barely noticing the difference. Building a community, but Monzo's success goes beyond just the product. They've cultivated a thriving community around the brand. Through social media, forums, and in-app interactions, Monzo actively engages with its customers, listens to their feedback, and even co-creates new features. This community-driven approach has not only fueled innovation but also fostered a strong sense of loyalty among Monzo customers. Challenges and controversies. Of course, Monzo's journey hasn't been without its bumps. Like any startup, they've faced challenges along the way. Technical glitches. Early on, Monzo experienced some teething problems, with occasional app crashes and service disruptions. Security concerns. As with any digital bank, security is paramount. Monzo has faced scrutiny and implemented robust measures to protect customer data. Competition. The banking landscape is fiercely competitive. Monzo has had to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. Despite these challenges, Monzo has consistently demonstrated a commitment to learning and improving. They actively address customer feedback, invest heavily in security, and continually refine their products and services. The future of Monzo. Looking ahead, Monzo is poised for continued growth and innovation. They're expanding their product offerings, exploring new markets, and constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of finance. From humble beginnings as a challenger bank, Monzo has evolved into a global financial technology leader. They've proven that by putting customers first, embracing transparency, and fostering a strong community, it's possible to disrupt a centuries-old industry. Customer centricity. Monzo's success hinges on its unwavering focus on customer needs and desires. Innovation. Continuous innovation is crucial for staying ahead in the competitive banking landscape. Transparency. Open communication with customers builds trust and fosters a strong community. Community. Engaging with customers and actively seeking their input is essential for long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.